Healthcare Network started in 1977. It was started by a group of community-minded people who felt that the migrant farm worker population in Immokalee was very much underserved, and we were designated as a migrant health center at that time and started off in 2 trailers in Immokalee. We now have 6 children's centers. We serve roughly 60% of the children in Collier County. Our doctors do over 40% of the deliveries in Collier County, and our patient base is about 50,000 people with 200,000 visits. We offer primary care services, pediatrics, family practice, internal medicine, senior care, dental care, women's care, and now behavioral health.
Our job is to keep people healthy and productive. People come here and are taught how to maintain proper health and to be productive citizens, regardless of their ability to pay.
Through my relationship with Steve Wheeler, I learned a lot about the services that Healthcare Network was providing in our community. When they chose to partner with the YMCA to bring services here on their Y campus, it was something that I wanted to help with so that these children who are here get care. And if you care for them in the early stages of an illness, you can get to it so quickly. And having that here, especially with the services of Dr. Vetter, it's really been a win-win for these children.
The reason we were so engaged and supportive of Healthcare Network is because when we found out the need and how little was being done about adult dental and children's dental, that there was a need there, and we thought this is something we could respond to and be very excited about helping out with.
Our Health and Smiles mobile unit travels to various parts around the community. Inside the mobile unit, we do everything from dental checkups to x-rays. And the best thing about the Smile Mobile is that it goes to locations where it is most needed. So access to high quality dental care can be available to anyone.
There is a tremendous need in Golden Gate, with thousands of families who have basically been ignored by the healthcare community. These are our employees. They teach our children in school, they put out our fires and take care of crime. It's our first responders. It's middle-class America that is in need of this care. And we are the company that is stepping up to take care of those people. We're building a 50,000 square foot health center in Golden Gate City. This building is going to have primary health care for pediatrics and adults, women's health care, our senior center to take care of the geriatric population, the 340B drug program that gets prescription medicines for pennies on the dollar, and we have a $15 million goal to reach. We've just passed $8 million, I'm proud to say, but we've got a long way to go. We want to break ground this summer and open a year from now so that we can meet the needs of these people in Golden Gate. I want your help. Everyone in this community should step forward and help with this project because you're all affected by it.
Many of our employees are located in the Golden Gate area, and being able to provide services to them is really a blessing. And the idea that they're going to be able to have a quality of health care similar to what our residents have through Healthcare Network is really a wonderful proposition. And Carl and Alice Sheffield have taken the lead in that regard.
The way that we are making our donation is through the Moorings Park Foundation. It's all because of my mama. She taught me that you have a responsibility to those less fortunate. And she was always asking me what I'm doing to help. And so I lay awake at night thinking about that, and the idea was that maybe I could do my little part to bring us into collaboration with the Healthcare Network. If your heart tells you that this is the right thing to do, the opportunities here are great. And frankly, it can be all the way from putting a lot of your time and effort and energy into the project, or simply donating money. That's the big deal. We need a lot of money. We've got already about $8 million for the center, and we need another 5-6 million, I think, something like that. So consider helping and consider getting in touch with the Healthcare Network.
I think the opportunity to bring a facility to that community is really the reason I chose to partner and become a donor to Healthcare Network for the new health center that's going to be in Golden Gate. Please help us in funding this great need for Collier County residents.
We became involved in the Nichols Health Center because we had seen the need for the dental, and we find out there's just as much need or more for medical care. When people are healthy, it makes a big difference in their lives. They can go about their job, they can do what they need to do, and they feel good about life, and it's a benefit to the whole community.
Healthcare Network, in many ways, is the heart and soul of this community. Our mission is to keep our people, our citizens, our children healthy. We ask for your help, and we will sustain the healthcare of our community for many, many years to come.